Project Wrangler was built to be an experience. At its core is a 6.2-litre LT1 V8 paired to a close-ratio 6-speed manual, putting total control back where it belongs, in the driver's hands. This Defender 110 soft top blends open-air freedom with serious performance. E.C.D air suspension adapts to the road ahead, Brembo brakes deliver confident stopping power, and a baller stainless dual exhaust announces every shift with unmistakable presence. Finished in Arles blue with Narvik black accents, Project Wrangler balances heritage and attitude. Classic details, round light guards, NAS-style rear bumper, swing-away wheel carrier, and a multi-point soft-top roll cage are paired with modern capability, including power-folding side steps and an expedition-ready roof rack and ladder system. Inside, the experience is elevated without losing its edge. Recaro orthoped front seats, diamond-stitched Spinneybeck leather, and a custom E.C.D center console surround you in craftsmanship, while wood accents, from the Momo Indy steering wheel to the custom shifter, add warmth and character. This Defender does due diligence to daily driving. Heated and cooled seats, rear AC, touchscreen CarPlay, JL audio sound, and modern driver assist technology make every mile effortless, whether you're navigating city streets or disappearing down a dirt road. Project Wrangler, built to explore freedom. Engine roaring, top down, destination optional.